Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to repair a project that has cracked while baking in the oven. You can see me working on a pearl cockatiel here on my workbench, and this cockatiel is going to be the victim or example I am going to use in this case. Sometimes the cracks will be structural, but most of the time they're just cosmetic. These tiny cracks in the clay are usually caused by temperature fluctuations in the oven while it's baking. This can be exacerbated if the clay you're using is too dry and not conditioned enough. Without further ado, let's get started. Here you can see the cockatiel has several tiny cracks in her face, which we will be filling with a paste we are going to make from polymer clay and translucent liquid Sculpey. What you're going to want to do is take a small amount of the color of the body and mix it with your translucent liquid Sculpey until it reaches the consistency of thick toothpaste. Once the consistency is satisfactory, take a small amount onto your tool of choice and press gently into the crack to seal it. Since the cockatiel is already baked, you don't have to worry about getting the paste everywhere because you'll be able to smooth it out and rub it off. You can use your fingers to do this or another tool until the surface is smooth. Now that we have done that for the body, we will also be repeating this process for the crack in her cheek. The yellow paste is made in the exact same way the gray one was, only using yellow clay rather than gray. Work as slowly as you need to in order to fill up every bit of the crack and smoothing it out. Now that I am finished filling the cracks, she is ready to be baked again. On this second bake, I like to bake at full temperature for around 10 minutes. Sometimes 15 to 20 if the cracks are large. Here is the finished cockatiel, all smooth and ready for her new home. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.